Hello friends, I decided to make camera mode on my DJI Tello. I used for hacking Hawkeye Firefly Micro Action Camera 2nd edition. On internet you can find plenty of videos reviewing as DJI Tello, so above mentioned action camera. I will just briefly show you what is included in boxes. As you know, DJI Tello has just 720p fixed camera and frankly saying it is not good quality, although it is acceptable for the drone price. On the bottom, it has another camera and two infrared sensors for altitude holding. That is why I couldn't fix my action camera on the bottom of Tello without blocking those sensors. Fixing on a top was not a good solution too for me. First, it has not enough clearance for vents, and second, even if I fixed it on some lag, due to camera wide angle view, vents would show up in recording videos. Let me show how drone will act when camera is fixed from the bottom without blocking sensors, but also not centered for gravity. Just showing how drone flies without camera mode. That's disassemble camera, and I will show you my way of this particular micro action camera hacking for DJI Tello mode. I used liquid flux for soldering and desoldering process. On eBay, I have bought for $1 micro JST-PH 1.25mm 2-pin male and female plug connector with wire cable M578. I use this connector for camera to battery connection. For quick attach and detach, I decided to use Velcro tape. Make sure not to cover bottom sensors of the drone. Please pay attention that the cables are too long and they were difficult to fix without touching drone vents. That is why I cut them later in an optimal short length, which I haven't shown in this video. And tada! DJI Tello flies with Firefly 2 micro action camera up. Thank you for watching.